Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and download the Strava application if you don't have it already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you don't have it, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the application up, and of course, they will ask you to log in into your account if it's your first time. Make sure to log in into your account if you have one, but if you don't, they will provide you with three options to sign up or to create your account. They will give you the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you, and of course, once you do that, once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll normally find yourself here at this home option of the Strava application, which is gonna be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you'll be able to see your recent posts, edit them, delete them as you can see, or you can even create a new post, photo, manual activities, which is called all segments here on the Strava application. But what we said is we would like to change our email address on the Strava application. So if you want to do that, we can just go here to our view or just profile at the bottom right corner, then click add profile if you are at progress or activities. Make sure to click on profile. And once you are here, click at the settings option at the top right corner, and from here you'll find at this account section this change email option. Click on it and that will open this for you. You can just delete your old email and start typing a new email. So this is an example. This is going to be test@gmail.com, or I don't know if you have like an Outlook or something, just type it. I don't know, whatever, outlook.com or whatever you have. Okay, so of course once you type your email, you will have to type a new password for your email. And once you finish, click at save, and of course you'll need to verify your email by a notification that will be received in your email. Sorry. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.